Hey, this is Neil James Videos and welcome to my first video in a series. I'm going to call this series probably Useful Apps. This is the first episode of this series, and the first app that I'm going to do is an app called TickTick. So, not sure if you can see it there in the camera. So TickTick is an app that I use probably quite frequently, so maybe every second day, definitely once a week. It's how I track my to-do list. I'll be showing you in the video the different type of lists that I track. So I'm just going to open up the app here. So once you open up the app, this is currently my setup. So this is my list. So I'm just going to take you through what list. So at the start you have a today list. So everything that you've currently missed or that you've scheduled for today. And then if you go into this menu here, you can see that I have my own customizable lists. I have today, I have an inbox, which are ones that aren't categorized. So I'll quickly just go through some of the ones that I use, that I categorize just to keep myself a bit more organized. So I have one for chores, so that's kind of self-explanatory. I have one for laundry there. And what I do is, when I'm creating a task, which I'll just show you right now, so I'll just go into plus symbol here. So let's say I do one like clean room, for example, so I'll just type in that now. And once you've got that typed out, you can select what list you want it in. So I have a few customizable ones, or you can just put it to your inbox. Click cancel, because I want it in chores. You can select the tag. Now I don't usually use tags. I know some people probably do if they need to kind of tag it with some kind of niche or speciality. I don't really need that amount of detail. I like to keep it a bit more simple. And then you can select here priority. So for example, clean rooms probably not high priority, but select that as a medium. So it has 2 exclamation marks, and then you select the date. So I currently want to do this today, so I'd select today. Or you can use a calendar, you can use any of these icons to choose what you want to do. So I might just say today night, and that'll set the date here. And then once I click the send icon here, it'll actually create for me a task. So for this, reminder instructions, yeah, cancel. It's scheduled, as you can see here, for today 8 p.m. So hope that's clear. So I'm just going to go in, I'm going to show you what other lists I have. So I have other stuff personal, so personal tasks or goals I want to achieve, like, so there's a few there. I have one for this kind of channel, stuff that I want to do, and then I have kind of like other stuff. So oops, we're not supposed to see that, but you kind of get the picture. So you can kind of do different kind of lists. So I have one here for career as well, and you can definitely customize them to what kind of goals you want to achieve. So then another feature of it is the creation of habits. So it's this little icon here, turn on. So developing habits, I'm just going to create one here. So let's say, for example, you can set these so that it reminds you to do it every day. So if you're a person who wants to start eating breakfast every day, I do it anyway. Don't know how it's not really a habit like, but you can start that habit there and click eat breakfast. And then once you've done that, you check that you've ate breakfast, and it tells you the streak, your current streak, your total check-ins. I think if you develop this 30 days without fail, it becomes a habit, so it's quite handy to have. So I think the only one I'd have is probably like drink water. So if you were drinking 2 liters of water a day, you could get this to remind you. Same thing is here, and it develops into a habit. And this actually comes up then in your 2 days. So if you haven't done the habit, it'll display here. So I'll just show you now. So if I wanted to eat fruit, for example, this will actually appear here in a habit form. So that's another useful tip to have in this app called TickTick. And then the last thing I want to show you is the sort feature. So you can go into sort feature here. So it goes into person. So if you want to sort this into something a bit different, so you can sort this to time, title, tag, and priority. So if you want to hit your high priority tasks first, you can click this and it'll sort it to high priority, medium priority, or low priority. And that's basically a brief overview of how this app works. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, subscribe if you're interested to see any more videos like this. Thanks for watching.